What are these? Do you know?
I know what they are. They are nuts.
Right! Your answer is correct. These are nuts, and the word nuts begin with letter N. What letter is this again? Yes, the letter N. Big letter N and small letter N. Now, can you find letter N? Good job! Those are letter N. Now, how do we write letter N? Big letter N. Start from the top going down. Make a slant line and then top going down. Small letter N, make a line going down and then jump and go down.
Yay!
Now, what is the phonetic sound of letter N? Say N. Say it again. N. Now let's see some pictures which names begin with letter N or the sound N. N. Net. N. Nest. N. Neck. N. None. N. Nurse. N. Nose. N. Nails. Can you name them again?
Yay!
Well done!